Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. What makes every day a lot simpler? Being able to find your phone. That's exactly what you're going to be able to do with this awesome acrylic phone holder from Crpich. I love that this is the most basic thing on my desk, but it is the most useful at the same time. For one thing, the acrylic material is nice and heavy duty. I love that it's clear because that makes me feel like it doesn't take up a lot of space on my desk. However, this little unit is packed with a lot of power. It can not only hold a cell phone, but it can also hold a tablet, a switch, making it super easy to be able to have your device mounted and to be able to look at it anytime. Whether you're working at your desk or working in your kitchen, it is completely stable on this unit. It has little rubber pieces at the bottom so that it's slip proof on whatever surface you have it on. And I love that it holds everything in place and even has space for the cord. This little acrylic piece has come in so handy for me. I've had it for months, but it still is super useful. It's not cracking and I use it every single day. If you need to stay more organized in your life and always be able to find your phone, which I know you do, then you need to check this out. And that's my point of view.